Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Janvi Singh, and in today's video, I'll be addressing all the questions that were asked to me in my cabin crew interview for Indigo Airlines. I have made sure to write down every question from first round to the last round कि मैं कुछ भूलूं ना. And also this video is going to be about the questions that were asked to me. और अगर if you want a separate video कि और किस तरह के questions पूछे गए थे, because I have a bunch of questions जो मेरे friends से पूछे गए थे या फिर और लोगों से पूछे गए थे, तो उसके लिए मैं दूसरी वीडियो बना सकती हूँ, because my questions are already a lot और इनके आंसर्स और क्वेश्चंस एक वीडियो में बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, और इसके अलावा दूसरी वीडियो मतलब और क्वेश्चंस को ऐड करना, इट विल बी अ लॉन्ग वीडियो. सो इफ यू वांट आई कैन मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो अबाउट all the other questions that were asked in the interview, in the recent interviews. So mine was on 22nd March. तो जो मेरे पास questions हैं, they are from the March and April interview. So if you want, I can make a separate video on that. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so in the first round, we were given the question that if you had any power, what would it be and how will you use it? I will suggest one thing. I'll tell you how to answer the questions, but क्या होता है ना, जब हम लोग सर्च कर रहे होते हैं कि इंटरव्यू कैसे देना है या कैसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं एंड देन वी काइंड ऑफ मेमोराइज दोज आंसर्स. दिस वाजंट द क्वेश्चन जो मैंने ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन देखा था, तो दैट वाज अ प्लस पॉइंट. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि अगर सेम क्वेश्चन सबसे पूछा जाता है, ये सेम क्वेश्चन 10 लोगों से पूछा जाता है, 10 को आंसर करना है. कभी कभी आप जब बहुत सारे वीडियोज देख लेते हो ना, एवरीवन नोज अबाउट द पेजेस जो अच्छे वीडियोज बनाते हैं या फिर जिनके पास अच्छा खासा कंटेंट है, सब वो देख के जाते हैं. तो एवरीवन स्टार्ट गिविंग द सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ आंसर और फिर आपके पास ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं रहती है. सो आई विल सजेस्ट कि understand the question and try to answer them in a very, I'll say, sharp way or an intellectual way, and also be very confident. There were so many people who were asking me कि कैसे clear कर लिया. I'll tell you, it's very easy. Okay, you have to be confident in yourself. Okay, so for this question, they are not specifying कि कैसी power होनी चाहिए. You can have any power, and I think this is a very fun question. You can have any power. You can have the power of flying or reading others' mind, anything, right? And personally, I think reading others' mind would be very fun. But yeah, it can be any power related to law or government. So when you form your answer, make sure कि आप confident हो उस answer में. So when it started, everyone was saying their own. Everyone was revolving around the law. So someone wanted to be a president for a day, or someone wanted to become a police officer, someone wanted ऐसे करके मतलब government से related questions. So the HR told us in between, after 4-5 girls, that we can have any power, because she also wanted to understand this. ठीक है कि सब law की तरफ क्यों जा रहे हैं. Then the one girl said about flying, which was she was the one who was selected, I think, yeah, because this one is also a very tricky answer. Like very good answer, because you see, this job requires flying, and it's a quirky thing if you put it in the answer like this कि हाँ, if I have any power, I would like to fly. Why not? When it came to me, I think I gave a very diplomatic answer. I said that if I have a power for a day, I don't want to be prime minister or president or control the law in my hand, because then no one will take me seriously if I have the power only for a day, or if I become their leader only for a day. So I would rather establish this institution where it would be a necessity that every public's request is put in together, and that is put forward towards the government कि government उस पर action ले. क्या होता है कि कभी कभी मतलब I just explain this कि कभी कभी क्या होता है, we tell our issues to the government, और वो मतलब to the officials, और वो government तक नहीं पहुंचती है, मतलब officials तक नहीं पहुंचती है. तो in this institution it will be mandatory कि वो आगे जाए. This is a very cliche answer if you think of it right now, because very diplomatic answer, but at that moment what they see is how good your communication skills are, and if you have an idea in your head, how are you going to convey it, right? So I think I was very clear in my head कि मुझे बोलना क्या है, कैसे है, क्या है नहीं पता था. When I started speaking, I had no idea कि क्या बोलना है, but कैसे बोलना है, I know that. So I did that. I just put together my words in a way कि वो सुनने में अच्छा लगे और सामने वाले को समझ आए. That was my first round. This was the question that was asked in my first round. Okay, moving forward to the next round. Okay, so the next round is the virtual round. मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बहुत डिटेल में बताया है क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. टू गिव यू अ ब्रीफ, इट इज लाइक इफ यू आर सेलेक्टेड इन द फर्स्ट राउंड, दे सेंड यू इन दिस डिफरेंट रूम जहाँ पे एक टेबल में लैपटॉप होता है. देयर आर 10 गर्ल्स इन द रूम, वन बाय वन the person in the laptop. Maybe they are some higher authority. I don't know their designation who is there and taking your interview, but they'll ask like one-on-one interview होता है, तो बाकी लोग are still present in that room. ठीक है. Okay, so with me, she started with very basic question. She was like, introduce yourself. And if you are preparing for any interview, you should know how to introduce yourself. It's the most basic thing. ठीक है. Starting from your name, from the place you come from, and your education, the basics. बता दो, ठीक है. So if you're graduate, tell them that you are a graduate, in what field you have done your graduation, and if you have just completed your 12th, tell them that. ठीक है. तो for me it was कि I have completed my graduation, or I told them that I have completed my graduation. I have done bachelor's in science. So she was like, okay, so what was your major? My major was physics. From this comes the next question. So she asked me, ki, why the change of stream? Why don't you want to continue the same subject? Like, why don't you want to do something in physics? Now, I'm from science background, so like it is a total 360 from science background going into cabin crew. मतलब ऐसा usually नहीं होता है. And she asked me, तो give your honest answers. इसमें मैं क्या बताऊँ? I told her कि ठीक है, because I have studied physics for 3 years and I know that I won't be very satisfied doing it for life. So I want to do something that will give me satisfaction at the end of the day. And I think cabin crew, being a cabin crew, will give me that satisfaction. I told her. Then she asked me, the next question was, okay, so that was my first question. The next question was, okay, Janvi, I'll give you 1 lakh rupees. And it was like 11 in the morning. Okay, so she said, I'll give you 1 lakh rupees right now. It's 11:30 some. She said, like we looked at the time. She told me कि अभी 11:30 बजे I'll give you 1 lakh rupees and you have to finish it by रात के 11:30 बजे, 12 घंटे में ऐसे खत्म करना है. And you cannot invest. So in my mind, when she said this, I was thinking कि हाँ invest कर देंगे ऐसे ऐसे, I'll divide my money and I'll invest. But she put a clause कि आप invest नहीं कर सकते हो. So I was like, okay. So you can say anything. There's lots of things you can do with 1 lakh rupees and you have to finish it in 12 hours. So but what they are looking for is how you are communicating. How are you going to give your answers in a very proper way, अच्छे से, to give you communication skills and all those things. So I told her I would like proper family vacation. So I'll plan a vacation. I'll book the tickets and the hotel with that money because it's a free vacation for my family then. So I want to spend some time with my family. Where will you go? So for me and my family, Goa has a very special place. We always went there in our vacations for a long time. But of past few years, since both of us siblings have like out of the town, we don't get for our studies, we don't get much time doing that. So I explained her that and she was like satisfied with my answer. So we moved to the next question, which was I think the last question. Yeah, the last question she asked me was, what are the difficulties which are faced by a cabin crew? So you have to be what I think is कि they want you answer कि क्या difficulties हैं और how you are going to face it. So I told her in my head the most severe issue is different time zones or proper timing नहीं होना. You don't have a proper schedule ना. So I explained that to her कि like cabin crews don't have a proper schedule. कभी they wake up early or sometimes they sleep late and still have to work a lot of shifts or मतलब basically different time zones and different time schedule. That's it. I backed it up by saying that I'm a student. Till now, I'm a student, and as a student, you have lots of pressure to work and get good grades. So there are times when I don't sleep all night and I pull an all-nighter just to study, or sometimes I wake up early because I want to do something fun. And I lived in a hostel and there were activities and everything. So I'm very flexible with time. ठीक है. ऐसा कुछ बहुत ही ऐसा आंसर नहीं है कि कोई करेक्ट आंसर नहीं है किसी भी क्वेश्चन का. देयर इज नो करेक्ट आंसर. दे आर जस्ट सीइंग कि आप किस तरह से आंसर कर रहे हो, आप आंसर सही से बता पा रहे हो कि नहीं बता पा रहे हो, आप अपनी बात रख पा रहे हो, कम्युनिकेट कर पा रहे हो. दैट्स इट. मूविंग ऑन द लास्ट राउंड. सो वील स्किप द BMI बिकॉज BMI में क्या होता है मैंने पिछले उसमें बता दिया वीडियो में. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द फोर्थ राउंड विच इज द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. Okay, so the fourth round was a personal interview. It is more like ऐसा one-on-one interview होता है. In this, अच्छा इसमें क्या था ना कि अब at this stage they have your resume with them. ठीक है. तो in my resume I have mentioned my under the work section. If any of you don't know, I have written a book. It's a poetry collection, and I have a Bookstagram page with around 68,000 followers. तो वो मैंने मेंशन किया है. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन शी आस्क्ड मी वाज लाइक, ओके, इफ यू हैव सच अ गुड करियर इन लिटरेचर व्हाई आरंट यू कंटिन्यूइंग इट. मतलब ऐसे चेंज ऑफ स्ट्रीम क्यों? द सेम क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड इन द प्रीवियस राउंड, चेंज ऑफ स्ट्रीम क्यों from physics to this. Now it was like, why not continue something in literature? Or फिर ये क्यों? Again, I gave the same answer. It is like कि this side of me is a hobby. I love reading books and therefore I like reviewing it. I like sharing my opinion on books कि मुझे ये book पसंद आई कि नहीं आई, and I want to share it with the world. I like writing poems and therefore I just published a book. But it's not something I want my career to be. It is something which is more of a passion, maybe more of a hobby. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ लॉन्ग टर्म स्टेबिलिटी वाली चीज़ नहीं है. इट्स अ हॉबी and I like traveling. I want to explore the world. So I would like, and therefore I want to become a cabin crew. Okay, this was the first question. Secondly, she had that photo of me, na, scar ka. I told you guys before कि यहाँ पे I have a छोटा सा cut mark. So she asked about it. She saw it और उसके बाद she asked me whether it's concealable or not. तो I told her कि हाँ है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, conceal हो जाएगा. ये second question. I don't know if to consider this a question or not. But yeah, this is what she asked. The next was ki, why cabin crew again? She asked the same question again. So I told her ki, okay, for this you have to be very honest about your answers. What I told her was like कि I'm a 21-year-old and as a 21-year-old अभी तक मैंने I have done my schooling and my college and I am a graduate now. अभी तक I haven't got the chance to explore the world. Now I want to do that, and if I'm getting paid exploring the world and traveling around it, why not? This was a very honest answer जो मतलब ऐसे अंदर से निकला था, मैंने बोल दिया था. And she asked me and that was the answer I gave. इसके बाद she looked up at me. She asked me the one last question, which was how many interviews you have given before. Because अगर there were so many girls जो कई राउंड इंटरव्यूज दे चुकी थी ऑलरेडी, कई बार दे चुकी थी, तो दे इफ आई वॉज समवन जिसने बहुत टाइम इंटरव्यू दिया था, तो शी माइट आस्क मी कि अच्छा मतलब ऑल दोज थिंग्स ना कि क्या हुआ था, क्या गलतियाँ थी, what you have learned and all those things. But I told her this is my first interview. She looked at me straight in the eye. She's like, it's your first interview? I'm like, yes, ma'am. She's like, okay, Janvi, I'm selecting you directly. I'm like, okay, ma'am. Yeah. Anyways, this was the whole process or all the questions that were asked in my interview. As I mentioned before, I have bunch of other questions, and if you guys want me, तो मैं अपने दोस्तों से और क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकती हूँ कि किससे क्या पूछा गया. देन आई कैन मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो आउट ऑफ इट कि और क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस इधर रिसेंट में मार्च एंड अप्रैल में पूछे गए हैं. बिकॉज आई हैव few girls, I got their numbers and now we are friends. It all happened very quickly, but I got to know सबसे अलग अलग questions पूछे गए थे. तो if you want, I can make a different video. If you want, I can make a different video on the medicals, class 1 medicals, class 2 medicals. Do let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help. Okay, and yeah, my Instagram handles are somewhere here. Okay, so feel free to contact me or I'll make sure to answer you. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.